In this video, I am going to guide you how you can download the firmware file of the Redmi Turbo 5 Max. You can call POCO X8 Pro Max. Okay, this is really interesting guideline for all of you that if you are facing any problem, any issue, this guideline will solve you all the problems. Okay, for this you need to download the MiFlash tool. MiFlash, I already downloaded this tool. Okay, you can see the tool I have. You can see here, you can see it is a file. Now I will launch the GME file to my tool here. Yes, okay, I allowed. Yeah, install the drivers, continue. It will ask you to install the drivers first of all because it's very required. So I will let you the name of the drivers. Google Android Win USB driver, NVIDIA USB driver, Microsoft USB driver, Microsoft driver again, Qualcomm driver. Okay, no problem. Let's move to the file. Let's download the file. Okay, you are seeing the file. Total download. A lot of the people have downloaded the updated version, and it's supporting Android version 16.0. That's really understanding and awesome. I would like to download the global version because it's worldwide version. You can get your required version as well. Zip stable file 6.8 GB, 10 GB. Okay, download this file. Click here. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 options he giving. That's really awesome. Okay, download from here. You are seeing the file is downloading. Okay, yeah, place here. Okay, now I would like to guide you step by step guidelines that will help you to understand the thing better than me and guidelines. Okay, you are seeing the file name is correctly fine. You don't need to rename. Option 1 completed. Okay, we have downloaded MiFlash tool already. Okay, we have opened that. Okay, option 3. Okay, we will select button, use the select button on the file downloading properly. No problem. Okay, make sure your phone are unlock bootloader. That's really interesting. Let's do this. Okay, you are seeing the guidelines. Okay, am I unlock? Try this first. Now I'm using the Vivo smartphone. I have no that option device right now on my desk, but don't worry, steps are same, and you need to understand just tricks and ideas. Now go to the setting about phone. Okay, software information. In the Redmi, you will see HyperOS version, no problem. You are seeing the build number on the screen. You can go to the Redmi about phone and HyperOS and top up to top up 7 times on the build number. In the Redmi device, you need to top on the Hyper. Okay, now it will ask the password. Put the password. You are seeing you are now a developer. Now go back and the setting. Okay, we need to go to the setting again and additional setting to and then follow up the developer option to enable the USB debugging and the OEM unlocking. Yeah, I would like to go to the setting system developer options. You are seeing a lot of the options are there. Now we need to enable USB debug. It is asking allow USB debugging. USB debugging is intended for the development purpose only. Use it to copy your data between your computer and your device. Install apps on your device without notification and read log data. Yes, I am. And another option you can you need to enable that is OEM unlocking. Okay, you are seeing on the screen. Allow the bootloader to be unlocked. Yeah, it is asking a password. I will put my password again. Warning. Device protection feature will not work on the device while the setting is turned on. We completed the steps. Now we would like to follow the guidelines again. So you need to switch off your smartphone and hold the power and volume down button for the 10 seconds. Once you will see the blue screen on the smartphone, then release the button and go to the tool MiFlash. Here you can click on the refresh and select the file where you downloaded the file. Okay, F, I think so, F and Xiaomi. Okay, if the file properly downloaded, we need to extract and place the file here and select the file. Once all steps you done, you need to click on the flash button. Okay, you have to save the data first. This line I would say in the starting, no problem at all. You can do yourself always. Okay, click on the flash. Once it flash properly, you need to you are done at the right. Okay, thank you for watching my video. If you are facing any problem, any issue, you can comment on the video, and on the comment section I will give you a guidelines and properly understanding tutorial. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you so much.